What's up, folks? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best blenders in 2022. I've made this list based on performance, motor power, build quality, additional features, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an inexpensive model that can reliably prepare single servings for personal use or a premium blender with several advanced functions, we'll have the best blender for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for a reasonably affordable blender that can get the job done and deliver similar performance to higher-end models, the Nutribullet Blender is my choice as the best option for the money in 2022. The Nutribullet Blender is a solid traditional jug-style option that can prepare larger quantities in one go, and it offers multiple speed settings for greater control and powerful performance for a lower price than premium choices. It comes with a unique stainless steel extractor blade that's specifically designed to break down ingredients into a finer form, rubberized feet for added stability at maximum power, and a curved design that should fit with most kitchen decor. It has a large 1.6-liter jug that allows you to prepare larger smoothies or snacks, along with a useful tamp to scrape any leftover ingredients closer to the blades. You also get a relatively wide spout, which helps prevent spillage down the jug when pouring, and dishwasher-safe components for easy cleaning after each use. On the inside, it utilizes a powerful 1200-watt motor, which offers similar power to higher-end models like the KitchenAid K400 we'll mention shortly, and smooth, consistent results each time, but it tends to be loud while in use. While it lacks the versatility of the more expensive options on this list, it's easy to use and you get 4 settings for greater control, including a high-speed setting, a medium-speed setting, a low-speed setting, and a useful pulse mode to help prepare smoother soups. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with on-the-go cups or a recipe book included, but the Nutribullet website has several recipe options to choose from. The Nutribullet is the best blender for the money because of its thoughtful design that's easy to clean, multiple speed settings for various textures, and a powerful motor that can consistently break down most ingredients. If you're looking for a cost-effective option that can get the job done and consistently deliver smooth, even results, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants a powerful blender that's easy to use and can consistently liquefy dense materials like fruit seeds or fibrous vegetables, the KitchenAid K400 is my choice as the best blender for smoothies in 2022. KitchenAid's high-quality K400 blender is a sturdy, durable option that offers a unique 3-part blending system to pulverize solid ingredients, multiple variable speed settings, and a dedicated blending program that prepares creamy smoothies each time. Like most other KitchenAid offerings, it comes with an attractive design that's available in several colors to match your style. You get a robust build that features a sturdy die-cast metal base, although it's relatively heavy at around 12 pounds. It utilizes a 3-part blending system with a ribbed jug to create an effective vortex for ingredients, an asymmetrical blade with 4 distinct cutting angles, and a unique IntelliSpeed motor to maintain optimal blending speed and power for better results. Unfortunately, the jug isn't as large as the Nutribullet, but it's made from BPA-free, dishwasher-safe plastic and offers a solid 56-ounce capacity. It has a powerful 1200-watt motor and an intuitive dial that allows you to toggle through the 5 variable speed settings or activate the pulse function to easily create various textures. Unlike the cheaper models on this list, it comes with 3 preset blending programs, including an effective ice crush mode, an icy drink function, and a smoothie mode to pulverize almost any solid material, though the function symbols can be somewhat difficult to read. I also like that the jug has a wide spout and isn't prone to leakage when filled, which makes it ideal for preparing smoothies. While it doesn't quite offer the raw power of the class-leading Vitamix A3500 Ascent, the KitchenAid K400 can reliably produce consistent, even textures, and it's available at a much more reasonable price. This is an ideal option if you want a powerful blender that performs well in virtually any situation and can consistently break down dense or fibrous ingredients when preparing smoothies. Some users might be looking for a high-performance blender that can reliably blend almost any ingredient without clumping or grittiness. The Breville The Fresh and Furious is my choice as the best option for protein shakes in 2022. Breville has a range of high-quality kitchen appliances to choose from, and the self-cleaning Fresh and Furious blender is a cheaper alternative to premium models that can reliably pulverize leafy greens, crush ice, and smoothly blend protein powder. It has a relatively compact design that measures 17 by 8.5 by 7 inches and only weighs around 8 pounds, so you can easily store it after each use. It doesn't have a robust metal base like the KitchenAid K400, but it's well made and offers a plastic base that remains reasonably sturdy while blending. The lid features a convenient ring pull design for easier removal, along with a removable inner lid to quickly add ingredients like oil or water as you go. Unlike the previously mentioned models, it has a useful LCD screen with a timer for greater control and overload warnings to prevent spillage. The button-based control layout is easy to use, and it offers 5 speed settings to mix, chop, blend, puree, or liquefy ingredients depending on the recipe. It also comes with 3 preset 60-second blending programs, including a green smoothie mode to break down fibrous vegetables, an auto pulse and ice crush mode, and a general-purpose smoothie mode. While the motor isn't the strongest on this list, it still offers impressive performance for a mid-range blender and can produce smoothies with minimal grittiness. Even more, it has a convenient auto-clean function that can effectively remove leftover residue in around 60 seconds. The Fresh and Furious doesn't offer the build quality of the previously mentioned KitchenAid K400, but it has a wider range of speed settings, a useful self-cleaning mechanism, and similar overall performance. If you don't want to spend too much money on a high-end blender but still need an option that can reliably blend protein powder into a smooth, appetizing consistency, this might be your best bet. Next up, we have an affordable, basic personal blender that offers surprising all-around performance and can reliably prepare single servings. The Ninja QB3001SS is a solid, inexpensive option to consider. Not everyone needs a blender with advanced cooking functions, and the Ninja QB3001SS is an easy-to-use personal blender that offers a space-saving design, 2 convenient travel cups, and decent pureeing performance with dense ingredients for the price. It has a lighter, more compact frame than the other options on this list, and the cups, lids, and blade attachment are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. It offers 2 16-ounce cups with measurement marks that are ideal for single servings or personal use, and you get 2 spouted lids for on-the-go convenience. But anyone who wants an affordable blender that's suitable for larger portions would likely be better off with the Nutribullet Blender. I also like that it includes a recipe book to prepare a range of foods, including smoothies, teas, dressings, salsas, and more. Unlike the other options on this list, it lacks buttons or dials and only requires you to fill the cup, screw on the blade attachment, and push down to blend the materials, although you can't add ingredients while in use. While it tends to leave behind some grittiness with seeds or dense vegetables like kale, this is understandable considering the price, and the 700-watt motor can effectively blend most fruit, chop nuts, and break down ice. The cup also isn't prone to leaking when filled to max capacity, so you won't need to worry about accidentally spilling ingredients. The Ninja QB3001SS lacks the internal capacity and additional features of more expensive options, but it's an ideal choice if you just want to quickly prepare creamy smoothies or crush ice without breaking the bank. I would recommend this if you don't want to break the bank or if you want an intuitive personal blender that can nail the basics and prepare respectable blended drinks. If you're looking for the blender that offers the most complete mixture of power, durability, and advanced automatic programs, the Vitamix A3500 Ascent is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series is likely too expensive and powerful for many users, but it offers a convenient self-cleaning mechanism, 5 versatile built-in programs to prepare different recipes, and class-leading performance across the board. It has a relatively large, heavy design, but it's compact enough to easily store and available in multiple colors to match your kitchen's decor. You get a removable lid with intuitive clips to help prevent materials from spilling out, and an internal lid plug with a measuring cup to precisely add ingredients. The dishwasher-safe jug has a massive 64-ounce capacity, which is the largest on this list and ideal for preparing bigger portions. Even more, it features an intuitive smart touchscreen interface that can activate settings, program the timer, and automatically optimize settings based on the container's size. I also like that it offers a 10-year warranty, so you can be sure this is a solid long-term investment. It comes with a useful dial that can toggle through the 10 variable speed levels or activate the pulse function depending on your recipe's requirements. It also features built-in auto programs to quickly prepare creamy smoothies, frozen desserts, soups, and dips or spreads, and the powerful internal motor can consistently liquefy dense vegetables and crush ice without leaving grittiness, although it doesn't excel with small quantities of ingredients. Like the previously mentioned Breville Fresh and Furious, it also offers a convenient auto-clean function to remove most leftover residue after each use. The Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series is the best overall option because of its outstanding build quality, comprehensive speed levels, intuitive smart interface, and superior blending performance to the other options on this list. If you can afford the price and want a premium blender that can handle anything you could reasonably expect and deliver smooth textures every time, this might be the ideal option for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.